Welcome back! Let's review the first part of the data analysis process. First, we form a business question, then get the data and explore the data sets. This is what we did in first chapter. In this chapter, we will focus our efforts on cleaning the data in order to prep it for analysis. As mentioned earlier, cleaning and preparing data can be time-consuming and very detail-oriented. While it's tempting to jump straight into analysis, please believe me that you will end up creating more work for yourself and starting over multiple times. Or worse, you could develop a recommendation based on bad data. So now it's time to get our hands dirty and prep the Kickstarter dataset. We'll start with some text or string cleaning. One of the most popular operations performed on text fields is concatenating, which joins text strings together in a new cell. For example, it's common to have first names and last names in separate columns, but it can be useful to combine them. Concatenate can do that. Taking a look at our dataset, notice that the project ID is separate from the project names. Let's join them together using concatenate. The syntax is equals concatenate, open parentheses, followed by the text or cells you want to combine with each other, separated by a comma, then close parentheses. In this case, let's join A2 and B2. How does that look? Wouldn't it be better if we added a dash between the ID and name? We can do that by editing the formula, adding the hard-coded text between A2 and B2. You have to put the desired text in between double quotes. In this case, we added a space, dash, space as the second argument. Now we can more easily distinguish the ID from the name. There are three functions that all work similar ways, but with different outcomes. Whenever a field has data collected in an open text box, like most online forms, you quickly observe how many variations in capitalization people employ. Depending on your need, it's possible to standardize the formatting to all lowercase, all uppercase, or improper capitalization when you capitalize the first letter of each word and the rest is lowercase. Not surprisingly, the functions are lower, upper, and proper respectively. Here's what happens when we apply each of these functions to the city field. When the lower function is used, there are no capitals. When upper is used, all letters of the city name are capitals. And when using proper, only the first letter of each word is capitalized. Now you